mixer?
Car.
Yeah.
Mixer.
Yeah.
Fire.
Yeah. Look at all the trees. Crane truck.
Gorilla loves his bananas.
Look.
Office.
Yeah. That's silly octopus.
Ooh, do you know what that is? That instrument? It's called a piano. See with the black and white keys?
We have a joke where we call that the saxophone.
Oh, you do? Does he know what it is?
Yeah. Yeah. It's a rhinoceros. He has a funny nose, right?
I know.
He's got a horn on his nose. Yeah. Oh, that worm is in the water. Look. Choo-choo train, right? Uh-oh, it hit the trunk, the dump truck. Uh-oh, that dump truck fell too. What's this?
Who's in there?
The worm is inside the watermelon. That's funny. What are they playing? Yeah, can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good
Good
job.
job, Jacob. You counted each one.
All right, now let's say the letters. A, B, C, D.
D, E, F, G, H, I, D, K,
L.
H,
Here's H. I,
G,
G. Little G.
H,
Yep.
D, H, I, J, K, L,
Over here.
M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
Good.
I,
Close. It's a T for train.
T, U, Y,
V.
V.
Good.
W, W, X, Y, Z.
Good
Excellent.
job.
Good
You
job.
did it.